Hey guys, this is Pastel Metal Scene. I'm going to show you how to do HTML pages in waifu IST, this website where you make fictional leather shrines. Some people seem to either have trouble with it, which that's what I was way before actually. I think I found a week ago, yeah. I think for most of the time I've learned HTML for a long time, but I didn't know how it works, because I didn't want to. I don't know how to do it further off, But so far I've seen layouts and I put on what's it called? I put down what do you call it? I also put down from these vintage websites where they put and add in layouts. I'm gonna warn you on my websites. Warning, but there's ice train. Please look at the distance if you wanna look. This is one of these websites. You see the Gilbert cursor? I got it from one of the other websites. I think it's the cursor ones. Hold up, let me show you. It's called Cursors for AU. I mean, for you, actually. That's the website. If you want, I can put a link in the bottom description. But yeah, you can find any other cursor and add it to your HTML layout. That's what I did with mine with Gilbert. And yeah, it's the same thing. It's almost the same thing. As you can see, the differences with these. This is my Tumblr version. I got it from a person over there. I mean, I got the layout from someone else, but still. Okay, I'm gonna delete that one because I just saw a really a chaotic video. It's very suggestive. I'm not gonna show because very suggestive. But yeah, this is where I got it from, and for this specifically, I got it from a layout in general. And I think Stylus also made me learn how to code, because I know I've made a few things in there. Like the Prussian neon wallpaper. I have to show you the HTML stuff there. Because I know I did this. Surprisingly, I didn't know that it could work. But yeah, I used to try to make this work, but... let me see. Hold up. Let me see if I can turn this on. Oh! It kind of shows, but it doesn't share the picture. Yeah, unfortunately, because Discord kind of removed the background stuff because of the updates and stuff. That's why I stopped using a little bit of Stylus, because yeah. And Stylus also it's actually called User Styles, but it's they give you HTML stuff to make what's it called? Make things added. For example, if I played a YouTube video, you can see the Rebel Nyan Cat over there. That's actually edited in the user style stuff in here. Oh wait, oops. But yeah, enough of explaining about HTML stuff. I'm gonna tell you the basics on how to basically get an HTML page. Okay? Sorry, this is all messy. I want this to be deleted because this thing keeps bugging me. Okay, so how to make a what's it called? A HTML page is you start up with the desktop, I think. So you press right click, you put new, and you put text document, okay? And you can put it what name to put on. I'm gonna put Eddie's Altar, okay? Because I'm probably gonna do it on here since it has a 404 page. That means it doesn't exist, okay? So this is what it looks like, okay? So you open this file. Sorry it takes long. Now I think it's like HTML and then body. I usually like copy from my previous pages because sometimes I could be a little lazy and I'm not always sure with all the things, but I could show you like how to start when it comes to like, you know, construction pictures or something. I mean construction stuff. So you make a paragraph. This P symbol over here is paragraph, by the way. And then you say, hello guys, this is Glow. I am making this web page. It is a web. Okay? So this is how you start with paragraph, okay? Now let's show you how it will look like when it's an HTML. So you put, hold up, because I know I made this a link. You put Eddie Altar.html. The reason I put this here, oh, and you need to put this in all files, okay? It needs to be in a similar name, and then put it into all files, okay? The reason I put it there is because I added a link over here that says Eddie Altar HTML. That's the one I'm gonna send it to. Also, for starters, the main page, which was when it said over here. Oh crap, I need a login. Sorry guys. Hold up, I'll be right back. Okay, so as I'm saying, if you're starting like a new web page, like if you're new, for example, it says FTP available at waifu is 21. Your credentials are the same as here. FTP is like, I think, well basically you had to start your own page. And it's called index in general. So the main page in general is index, and when you make a page, so far as this time, you need to put all files and then put index.html, and that's how you start your own main page over here. Okay? Alright? That's what I'm gonna say for waifu.ist. So, now that you have this here, that now exists in, oh yeah, Eddie Altar over here. You can also do the same in your desktop area. Hold up, let me find it, because I'm so, like, there's so many apps I got into my files and shit. Okay. So, what you do is that you drag this thing to here, and it's uploading. Now that it's uploaded here, you can click on your Eddie Altar, and it reveals over here. See, this is what it looks like when you put paragraph in here. But now I will show you the further things that I would probably add into there, okay? If you wanted to add, like, for example, the cursor the cursor stuff. Yeah, I'll just probably, oh, and show you how to do a background, which I think it will help you for the basics, I think. Okay. So, tip starters, there's this little as the world falls down thing, you know, you see the little bat over there. That's how I made with mines over here. Okay. Oh, I forgot it should be head, but it's fine. At least I am experimenting a little bit on here. So it's, hold on, I'm going to copy this. Explanation mark doc type HTML, okay? And it should be head. Maybe not body, but now this is how you put the title over here. You put tab meta char set equals quote UTF dash 8. Title, and it could be as the world falls down title, as you can see. I don't remember what I did in that one, but yeah. Don't remember what my still is, by the way, but yeah. Now this is the added background and the cursor I added, which maybe I could share it in a single Google document, so maybe you can help the reference in general, if it helps. I don't know, but yeah, it's body brackets background image dot URL, and over here URL you can put any image in there, and just as long as it adds like PNG, I think. Let me see if I can explore a little on here, because I have to see on there. Okay, so I'm gonna look in a specific background, for example, to see what it looks like. So hold on. Oh shit, sorry, I was listening to music. Oh my god, sorry. I found an image now, and it's gotta be this one, for example. I'm just gonna go and hold up. I'm just gonna copy image address after the right click. So this is the image URL, right? I'm going to see if it's gonna work as a GIF, okay? That's .gif, okay? This is the most important. Not HTML, because if you see anything it's just .html, it's not going to work itself, okay? I got this from gifcities.org. You can look to it if you want to. It just shows you a search of any other GIF in here, but it helps me to get more GIFs in here, because I know it worked on mine to the bottom of the page, as you can see over here. I'll show you how to do that somehow. But I'm going to see if this works on a background, okay? And this is how you make the cursor, by the way. This is the cursor. This quote will be your insert image that you put on there, or what you got from, like, for example, from the internet per se, and see if that works. It always has to be .png or what's it called? Well, yeah, it just needs to be like kind of an image there, you know?
And yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask me over there. I think what also can help per se as well is that this website, w3schools.com, I can show you I can show you like that website to the link of the description, because it helped me a lot during this whole thing. It shows you like how to make a gallery on here. It's a try it editor. It worked for me a lot. I didn't think it'll help you that much, but then, you know, after like hours of development, it helped me a lot. So yeah. Let's see what else we can put on here. I added this one because I thought it's not gonna work, but I think the other one over here works. Don't know about you, but still. I don't remember what this one goes. The divider. I think I copied it off this someone else at first. So that was my first thing. The center here helps you do spaces over here, like this area. See? So, oh yeah, by the way, you can screenshot as much as you want to copy this off, but I can share upon a document if you want to like work upon it or something, or you know, get you into that, hopefully. The edit banner.png is one I made on here in the above of here. So I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna copy this off. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. But yeah, I just gonna remove that part because that was my example. Oh yeah, this is the HTML of Spotify, by the way. You can do this on your if you want to add playlists, you could you can go to spotify.com and click share, and then I think you need to click embed HTML, I think, and that's where they can give you the link and you can copy it off, then paste it here. That's the what's it called? That's the code over there. Which, if one I could show to you, I can do that. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I googled this off because my camera is not working. Okay, Spotify. So yeah, you go to the webpage Spotify. Oh my god, it's taking long. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so for example, you want to put share your playlist in there. Oh my gosh, why is this taking long? Oh boy. The page is just off. Hold up. Okay, there we go. We're running. I put this playlist for family instead. You see the 3 dots? You click on that one, and then you share, and then it says embed playlist, okay? And that's where you copy. Oh, and you can choose like what color you can put on your page. I usually put black, then you can copy. Okay? That's how you do embed page, and you can just paste it there. If you want to do the yellow loop too, it's here. Hold up. Let me find it. Oh my god, my eyes got blind. I mean, my eyes went, Okay, there's the marquee over here. It's in style, head, body center, and you can share what the number with it. But I mean, okay, you can share how many pixels in this. But yeah, it isn't really required. But this is what it looks like. The code. You can put it in different color too, I think. I don't know if I had tested this myself. And this is the letters. You can put whatever you want. But we put together for 2 years and that's it. Center, by the way, is when you want, you know, your things in the, oh wow, I don't know what happened to this guy. Center is where you want this, for example, to be in the central here. And I think that's what I did with some of it. Like, for example, this is center. Okay. Anything without center would be probably moved to here. Oh, and yeah, the website will show you on the background if you don't want to repeat, or you just want to repeat only X or only Y. I think repeat X goes over here, and then repeat Y is going up, like up and down, and something like that. But yeah, if you don't want repeat, you can just type no repeat. Okay. That's what it looks like, I think. Just test it yourself if you want to experiment upon it. That's all I could say. Oh, and the links. If you want to link something, it's a arch ref equals quote the image you want to put on. I mean, the link you want to put on, actually, or the HTML that you want to add on, you know. This could work when you want to talk in texts over here. So that's what I did on mine. Okay. So yeah. Let me look upon down. Oh, and when you want to put image, I think it's img src, source equals, and you put the link on the image that you want to put upon. The size you want, if you want, you can put width equals insert how many pixels, I think. But then sometimes I put them in original, like not without like the width thing. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I want to put upon the GIFs that I got from GIF Cities here. Oh, and if you want like a table over here, I got it from a certain page here. I don't know why. I don't know if it's in here. No. This is from a GeoCities area. I don't know if I could link that one, actually. If I could remember, then yeah. But yeah, I think I only went there just to look at the code side area and see how it's like. I just only do the F12. Okay, you don't have to do this. I'm sorry. But for me, I'm just only looking through, I think, for example, I think sources. I think the index area could be here, 699. And I guess you can look through here, but don't, just maybe try it upon here, preferably too, and see how it's like. So maybe you can help get the idea with the reference and see what's on it or something. But that's kind of what I did too. But then I'm not sure, because then it's a little complicated. Maybe, I don't know. You have to see for yourself. What else I could look in there? Oh yeah, the table. So this is what it looked like. Table width, and you could put 100% if you want it bigger, like this one. This is what it looked like when you put on there. But for me, mine's is 40% over here. It's kind of what it looked like. So yeah, this is what it looked like if you wanted a table. Oh, and the color, you can put whatever color code you want to. And it says TD align, justify font size, bot +2. And then if you finish with your text, you can put over here TD TR table. Table width, border, yeah. So yeah, I think that's all I could share upon of what I did on mine's. And if you want it with color too, you can put script, center, paragraph style, font size, small. I put it small because I'm going to show you. This is what it looked like in the bottom here. And you could put color, could be red, could be blue. Bottom center text, and this is where you put on here the text that I put, and then ends with paragraph. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm probably gonna see how it goes on mine. I'm gonna save it as the altar area, HTML, see what happens, okay? I'm gonna save it as the script because I wouldn't be, I don't want to, like, you know, remove all the progress that I added upon it. That's what I do. Now let's see what happens if I go to that page. We'll see what it looks like. There we go. Look at this. It's kind of what it looks like, except there's no data area in here. Not sure why it happened. Maybe it's due to because it needs to be moved somewhere else. As the world upside down worked over here. Let's try. Let me go to the bottom, see what happens. Let's see what happens here if I moved around a little bit. Pretty strange. Let me see if I figure this out. Oh wait, maybe I just didn't add body HTML. Let's see what happens there. Oh shit, I fucked it up. Let me try again. Oh, okay. It's pretty wonky, but it's how I try to experiment. Maybe it's without the center area? No, wait. I still need those ones, by the way. I'll just return it to the area where I think I put it on. And see what happens. Maybe I just didn't drag it enough. I don't know what's going on in that one. Strange because it's no, what do you say? There's no context in it now. Let me see if I figured it out here. Okay, I think I figured it out. So you might need to add this meta name viewpoint area over here. This code. You can screenshot it if you want. But I think that's what I figured upon that now. I added this here just in case. Let's see what happens. Hold up, let me just put it here. You can screenshot that. I'm going to slowly do it. Okay. So I think I figured the source here. This is what it looked like. It doesn't look like it was really read well right now. Maybe I'll try it there. But I think that's pretty much what I was doing upon. Okay. I think that's pretty much it. If you want, I could just send. Actually, you know what? I'll put that in the link of the description about the Google document copy on the background, cursor, all that thing. So maybe you can help it with yourself. And yeah, it's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And oh, I forgot one more thing. If you want it to be like a big font too, I've often did like what I've did, I think, was hold up, center H2. Okay, that's the area, because that's what I did with my Eddie one here. If you were, you know, wondering, this is what it looked like here. Okay, I think that's all I could cover. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed. So bye.